In this video number 5 for module 15, I'm going to use Google Forms to create a class summary, which is a way to see how much the kids took in from the class that day. The resource I'm going to use is Google Forms for this class summary. The purpose is to gauge the daily learning from the student responses. The audience would be high school teachers that are in a classroom with computers, or if they have BYOD, which is what my school is doing. IST standards here are for educators is number 2, leader, and also number 5, designer. Prior knowledge that students would need is to know how to access and fill out a Google form. This product here is created using Google Forms, and the final product for this actual assignment for my course is creating Screencast-O-Matic. So now I'm going to go to Google Forms and actually show you the finished product before I show you how to make it, to see if it is something you would want to do. And what I've done is I've created a set of very simple questions. The objectives state anything you've learned. What did you not understand? Say as many key words as you can. Nice thing about Google Forms is that I can go to the responses, skip the names. I can quickly see the responses from many students at the same time. Export this as a spreadsheet, which allows me to look at it if I wanted to print it out as well. Usually just looking at this, I can see what the kids have learned, what did you not understand, and spelling error there. But nice when they say they didn't understand everything they understood. Power equation. It knows, now I know what to return to. And the final one, I like to go with keywords, because vocabulary is a big part. Give you a quick lesson on how to create one of these. In Google Drive, just say New. Got to go down to More here and find Google Forms. Title it. Here is a sample. And I usually do the first question of giving the answer, a possibility of a short answer, just its name. So that if you want to go back and see which individual responded a certain way, you can do that. And then I'm just going to do the first question here of knew that I wanted a paragraph based on my questions. Now it does that. That's Google, short answer, and that's it. That's really all there is to it. It's a great tool.